Welcome to Enventions, the YouTube channel where we explore the latest and most innovative gadgets and inventions. Are you tired of traditional pressure washers that just don't cut it? Introducing Grandfalls, the industry leader in innovative cleaning solutions. Designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks, the Pressure Pro 3000 offers a new level of convenience, efficiency, and power. Unlike traditional pressure washers with fixed pressure settings, the Pressure Pro 3000 allows you to adjust the pressure according to your specific needs. Whether you're cleaning delicate surfaces or blasting away stubborn grime, you can easily fine-tune the pressure for optimal results. The Pressure Pro 3000 incorporates an innovative smart flow system that automatically adjusts the water flow based on the pressure setting. This intelligent feature ensures efficient water usage and minimizes wastage, saving you both time and money. Grandfalls offers a range of specialized cleaning attachments that enhance the versatility of the Pressure Pro 3000. From turbo nozzles for rapid cleaning to surface cleaners for large areas, these attachments provide targeted cleaning solutions for various surfaces and applications. The Pressure Pro 3000 is designed with portability in mind. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver and transport, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Whether you're cleaning your patio, car, or outdoor furniture, the Pressure Pro 3000 offers convenience and mobility. With advanced noise reduction technology, the Pressure Pro 3000 operates quietly without compromising on power. You can clean your surroundings without causing unnecessary disturbances to your neighbors or disrupting the peace. Grandfalls takes pride in its commitment to the environment. The Pressure Pro 3000 is engineered to deliver exceptional cleaning power while minimizing environmental impact. It uses water efficiently and does not rely on harmful chemicals, making it a sustainable choice for your cleaning needs. Built with high-quality materials and superior craftsmanship, the Pressure Pro 3000 is designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use. It is built to last, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Redefine your cleaning experience with the Pressure Pro 3000 from Grandfalls. Discover a new level of efficiency, power, and versatility, making your cleaning tasks easier and more enjoyable than ever before. To purchase the product, visit the official website of Grandfalls or check in with authorized retailers or online marketplaces.